A heart is essentially a contractile blood vessel, and as such, vertebrates are not the only organisms to possess hearts. Many groups have contractile blood vessels which either pump blood through a series of vessels, in which case it is a closed circulatory system, or, as in this fly, the heart does pump fluid through vessels, but these vessels then open and then mix with the coelomic fluid in the coelom, in which case the fluid which passes through the vessels is referred to as hemolymph rather than blood, and this is known as an open circulatory system. Hearts are not only known in invertebrates, they are known in separate invertebrate lineages. Crayfish and flies possess hearts, which are typical of arthropods. Annelids can possess hearts. Earthworms have a series of contractile blood vessels which pump blood through vessels. And mollusks possess hearts. This then raises the question, where did hearts come from? Did separate lineages evolve hearts? Or did the last common ancestor of vertebrates, arthropods, mollusks, and annelids, did that ancestor possess an ancestral heart from which the modern lineages have derived their hearts? When one compares the genes involved in forming hearts, one finds homologous genes used in these lineages. There are a number of genes which are shared as arthropod embryos pattern a heart, and as vertebrate embryos, including humans, pattern their hearts. There are some genes which are shared not only among arthropods and humans, but also annelids as well. These shared genetic mechanisms for programming embryos to form hearts seem to imply that these hearts are descended from an ancestor which possessed some sort of heart, and so therefore hearts are ancient structures going back to early bilaterians.